Hi guys, Larry from Rick Case Maserati. We're going to show you today how to put on a stretchy belt on your Maserati GT, and this is really important. You should have it checked every 24,000 miles or 2 years to prevent any problems, and we're going to show you how to do that now.
Hey you guys, so before we show you the footage of how to change your belts, we just wanted to remind you that every 2 years or 24,000 miles, you should have your belts checked. The last thing you want to do is wait until it's too late and when you start hearing noises in your car, because at that point you are in trouble. So yes, every 2 years and every 24,000 miles. We also want to remind you that Rick Case Maserati, all of our technicians are Maserati factory trained and certified. So this is the best place to take your Maserati if maybe you're hearing those noises that I mentioned earlier, or maybe if you just want something like an oil change or a routine checkup. So definitely come on over to Rick Case Maserati. We are located right off of I-75 on Weston Road. You want to trust Maserati factory trained and certified technicians with your car. Okay, now let's get into the video and show you guys how to change your belts.
Okay. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. Let us know in the comments if any other videos you might want to see, and thanks for watching.